Hi everyone, my name is Chris Quintana, and today I will be talking about marketing in healthcare and advertising. So there are many questions in marketing healthcare and what possible ways can you do that? It was possible because they combine their mission with their marketing strategy. This is any business that is looking to advance in their market and proceed with the best advertising out there. Throughout this presentation, I'm really going to focus on the Mayo Clinic. That one of their places nearby from New Mexico is Arizona. The Mayo Clinic helps with second opinions, and they are also really involved in cancer patient care. There are many great ways to market healthcare, and it goes more than just a billboard. It is beneficial to use social media and social trends like hashtagging to group posts and relevant content for your business or firm. Some questions you may ask: how are other businesses marketing? How are they different from their competitors and other patients? And what marketing strategies can you take? The Mayo Clinic is a great example for marketing in the healthcare field because they have been relevant in their practices since 1997. Mayo Clinic does great in offering a platform for their patients to share experience, opinions, and history with the Mayo Clinic, which is very important to the patients. Part of this company strategy is caring with awareness, meaning helping your patient and doing the best you can, reflecting our community, welcome to all, balancing opportunities, developing talent, and pursuing health equity. Here is a promotional campaign for the Mayo Clinic that was led for the fight against colorectal cancer. To do this, they asked followers to capture a photo on Instagram of a traditional arm flex and post it, benefiting up to $25,000.
There's a million of me and only one of you. So what you got, what you gonna do? Listen close, let me make this clear. Ain't none of us want you here. You can do your best to bring me down. Throw the first ones trying to take me out. Surround me with fear, but the fear won't shake my ground. Let me tell you something you should know. I gotta fight as hard and a winning soul. So bring it on, just know I won't back down. 'Cause I'm stronger. I'm so much stronger. I'm stronger than that. So cancer, get on out of here. You can do your best to bring me down. Throw the first punch, try to take me out. Surround me with fear, but the fear won't shake my ground. Yeah, let me tell you something you should know. I gotta fight as hard and a winning soul. So bring it on, just know I won't back down. 'Cause I'm stronger. I'm so much stronger. Yeah, we're stronger. 1 million stronger.
Like Mayo Clinic and their marketing efforts, they use very precise social media and also YouTube to reach out to people that may be looking for a second opinion or even maybe looking into the Mayo Clinic field. Internal teams adopting new technology, marketing opportunities, and focus on the new customer journey will allow a better understanding of healthcare marketing. Nowadays, it is easier to measure the market of patient care. Usually, a centralized data hub is efficient, which will help with demographics, social and behavioral information, and to find patient communication preferences. Leveraging the wealth of consumer data from various sources and target patient messaging will also help your marketing. As fast as technology advances in life, advertising for markets is always changing as well. Here we see some many challenges you may face when marketing a healthcare agency or firm. Outdated business tactics. Many businesses do not like to use their rich media or social media, so they will hire other people to do so if they haven't moved on with the trend. Weak or no technology. A lot of businesses are still in the 1990s era, which they have been introduced to internet marketing or social media, and also insufficient budgets. There's not enough funds to go around for marketing as well. In any healthcare budget, marketing is essential. This will help you bring in more leads and generate revenue, and also help patients in the long run. As a son of a cancer survivor, my mom was really interested in the Mayo Clinic at first when she first heard about it, and it was really important for her to hear about other people's stories. And the blog from Mayo Clinic actually helped with that, giving other people's stories and patients' experiences with the Mayo Clinic. And here we look at some of them. Blogs may be just as important as a review on a website. This will tell the customer or consumer what they're looking for and how the company has performed. And thank you for everyone for your time. That concludes my presentation. Here are my references.